Another question which is always interesting to discuss, and it's the one thing that's bound to cause airmen to have conniptions, is to raise the question as to whether wetware, which is what engineers call human beings in aircraft, are or represent a future in air combat. In other words, are we going to have a future in air combat, in air warfare, where unmanned aircraft will dominate? And I think the answer has to be yes. It seems to me from 2030 onwards, when the next generation of unmanned aircraft with a certain level of autonomy built in, although they won't be autonomous in terms of making decisions to kill in all likelihood, but we'll see about that. But whether that's the case or not, one thing we'd be quite sure of, the next generation of combat aircraft will be predominantly unmanned, simply because having that human being inside with all the systems necessary to sustain that human being and protect him and make sure that he or she is sustained. If you don't need those systems, the performance of the aircraft is far, far better. And I think that will be just too alluring for designers in the future to give up that prospect.